Now let's add new trips history screen. So in our screens we are creating trip history screen. Import material.dart, then stateful widget trips history screen. And in our drawer we can wrap this in a widget, gesture detector, and on tap we can write trips history screen. So let's run this again. And let's tap here your trips, and you can see this page. And now we are going to customize this. So we are going to add this bool variable dark theme and then scaffold. Background color, if dark theme then colors dot black or colors dot gray 100. App bar background color, if dark theme then colors dot black or colors dot white. Title text trips history. Style textile dark theme color if dark theme then colors dot amber dot shade 400 or colors dot black. Now let's center title this and make it true, and elevation 0. And now we can write leading icon button icons dot close color, if dark theme then colors dot amber dot shade 400 or colors dot black. And child on pressed we can write navigator dot pop. After this app bar we can add body of padding age insets dot all to 20, and child list view. Let's create a new widgets, history design new widgets. So we can write history underscore history underscore design underscore UI, and let's import material.dart and then stateful widget history design UI widget. Let's delete this line and trips history model history design UI widget this dot trips history model. And now let's add a function of string format date and time. So string date time from database, date time equals to datetime dot parse datetime from db string for formatted datetime equals to date format date format dot date let's add another dependency import package. Now we can use date format dot mmd dot format date time. Date format dot y dot format date time. Date format dot jm dot format date time. Return formatted date time. Now let's add a column. Cross-axis alignment dot start children text format date time widget dot trips history model dot time So now in our trips history model, let's add this list view dot separated separate builder. We are going to add a size box of height. So for that context I size box height 30. Item count provider dot off app info context listen false dot all trips history information list dot length physics clamping scroll physics shrink wrap to true. Now in item builder we can write context I return card color colors dot gray 100 shadow color colors dot transparent and child history design UI widget trips history model provider dot off context app info dot listen false dot all trips history information list I. Now let's see what it shows in our your trips So let's add style, text style, font size around 20, and font weight dot bold. Now we can see this true date. We can make it a bit smaller. Now let's add a size box after this text widget. So size box of height 10, then container, decoration, box decoration, colors dot white, border radius dot circular to 20, padding, edge insets dot all 15, child, column, children, row, main axis alignment dot space between. Now children, container, padding, edge insets dot all to 10, and decoration, box decoration, colors dot light blue, border radius dot circular to 10, and child, icons dot person, colors dot white. Now let's add another size box of width 15 and add a column, cross axis alignment dot start, children, text widget dot trips history model dot driver name, style, text style, font weight dot bold, size box height 8, row, children, icons dot star, colors dot orange, size box of width 5, then text widget dot trips history model dot ratings, null check operator used on a null value. Okay, so let's comment out this, or we can write 4.5 for now. So style, text style, color, colors dot gray. And after this row we can add another column, cross axis alignment dot start, children, text, final cost. Style, text style, color, colors dot gray. Size box of height 8. Text, widget dot trips history model dot fair amount, and then style, text style, font weight dot bold. Now let's add another column, let's wrap this in a row again, and we can copy and cut it from here after this row. So final cost, and this should be status. Status, and instead of fair amount we can write dot status. And let's make this row, not this one but this one, space between. Now after this row we can add a divider, let's add a size box at first, then add a divider of thickness 3, color, colors dot gray 200. Then let's add another size box, then row children. Actually let's add text trip style, text style, font weight dot bold. After this row we can add size box, of height 10, then row main axis alignment, main axis alignment dot space between, then children, row, then children again, and padding container, padding edge insets dot all to 2, decoration box decoration colors dot blue 600, border radius dot circular to 2, child icons dot star, colors dot white, oh, we have to write child, not color. And now let's add another size box after this container. So size box of width 15, then text widget dot trip history model dot origin address, dot substring 0 to 15, then dot dot dot. Style text style, font weight dot bold, and font size 18. Let's add another size box of height 10 and copy this and paste it here. And now we can just change this destination address. We can remove this. We can change icon color or this container color from blue to black. So that's it, our users app is done. In our users app and in main screen we have a function named initialize geofire listener, and here on geofire on key entered we have to add this line geofire assistant dot active nearby available driver list dot clear. And now we are going to add another file here for our dark map. I will provide this in the description of the video. So in main screen go to Google Map and here we can write if dark theme equals true, then set state black theme Google new Google Map controller. And now we can see our dark map. We are running this project in dark theme and you can see how it looks. So if I go to Uttara and if I hit show fair, then this is how it looks. Let's go to your trips and we have to fix this. So what we can is that we can copy this and go to history design UI in our widgets directory and paste it here. Then we can, and also in our trips history screen we can make this if dark theme then colors dot black or colors dot gray 100. And then in our history here we have to change few things. So colors before that we can make this container dark theme then colors dot black else colors dot white. Now we can go to white theme, light theme, to see how it looks. This is how it looks, and in dark mode this is how it looks. So now it's looking fine. So in our drivers app we only have this home tab page, and we want to make this earnings tab page, ratings tab page, and profile tab page. So let's make them. Let's start with profile tab page. So import material.dart stateful widget profile tab page, and then here I'm going to take few text editing controller. So name text editing controller, equals to text editing controller. Let's copy this and paste 2 more times for phone and address. And I'm going to take database reference user ref equals to firebase database dot instance dot ref dot child drivers, and then let's add this boolean variable, and instead of placeholder we are going to use gesture detector. On tab focus scope dot off context dot unfocus. Then in child you are going to use scaffold. Resize to avoid bottom insert, false. Then let's add this app bar. So background colors are transparent, icon button, we're just going to add navigator.pop and icon arrow back iOS, and text profile screen. And after that we can use body list view, padding edge insets dot all 0, and then we can use children container pair. Let's add center, child padding edge insets dot from left top right bottom 20 and around 50 for bottom. So child column, container, sorry, children container, we can add this container. Let's see our profile tab page. in our main screen. And we can also implement this earnings tab page. And ratings tab page. So import material.dart stateful widget ratings tab page. Now let's run this again. So in our profile tab page, I have to add a size box of height 30. Then we can add a row for online driver data as text, and we can make a new function. For that we can write a new function here. So show dialog context, builder context, alert box, update, and Flutter toast. So here if we click this, then we can edit our name. So we have already done this for our users app, so I'm just copy pasting it, and then we can add two more functions. For phone and address. So this is the function show driver phone dialog alert and show driver address dialog alert, and let's add a divider here. Then we can add another row. So for our phone, and then we can add another divider, and then a row for address, and then we can add another divider for showing email, and we can add a size box here, and after that let's add another row for showing card details, and let's add a button for logging out from the app, and splash screen we can import it. So that's it, our profile screen.